Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About sine 2x, we change for 2 sine x, cosine x. Number 2, we put outside cosine x with cosine x to the power of 5, we have cosine x to the power of 6. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have negative sine x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative next to du. So this one we change for u, and we have u to the power of 6. Sine s dx we change for negative du. The integration of u to the power of 6, we have u to the power of 7 over 7, and we put about c. About u, that's about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.